Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an inquiry letter. What is an inquiry letter? Inquiry letters are written for the purpose of asking for something from the recipient. Inquiries can be sent as a formal business letter outside of your company or as an email. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an inquiry letter for job interview step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write down your information as the sender of this letter. Yes, write your full name. Under it, write your home address. When you write the address, you should mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also add your personal contact information here. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. In this case is November 28, 2023. For the next, write the information about the recipient. You need to write the full name. Under it, write the occupation in the company as well as the organization name. And then, write the address of the company. Don't forget, mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code as well. Yes, it is really important to write the address correctly. Now, you can open the letter with salutation. Simply, write Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reference of the letter. You can make it into sentence, not always as a subject or reference of the letter. So, write that this letter is in regards to your interview. And mention the date of the interview. You need to write down the month, date, and year. Yes, write also the job position that you applied in the company. In the second paragraph, show your gratitude about the interview. You can write I thank you for giving me the opportunity to attend the interview. And mention the reason why you are writing this letter. In this example, one of the interviewer told the writer that he or she will be informed about the result of the interview within 2 days. But until now, the writer gets no response. So, you can write it here. Write the name of the interviewer who told you that you will be informed about the result whether you are rejected or accepted. Make it sound politely. Some company may even take months, so you need to be patient and polite here. After that, state how crucial the job for you. It is like showing the urgency of the response without rushing them. Just write this job is crucial for you. And write how you are confident about your selection since your interview was good. This is to bring positive vibe, so you have to be optimistic. In the last paragraph, write your request that the company inform you soon about the interview result. Simply, you can write I would request you to please let me know my result at the earliest. And don't forget to add your contact information like phone number. Yes, you have to make sure your email before writing this letter. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a letter of inquiry for job interview step by step. If the interviewer never promised you anything about the result, it is better not to write this letter. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.